Okay guys, welcome to my Scratch tutorial of how to make a maze game in Scratch. Okay, so we're gonna go in the background. We're gonna create, let's have some green walls in here. If you ever see I'm pausing, it's because I'm going back to this website, recording website. It gives me only 15 minutes. It's asking me to sign up for some reason. I don't know why. But there's 13 minutes left. Okay, so I'm just going to create our maze very quickly because I have no time left to do this. Just gonna. Actually, that seems a little wrong, actually. Let's do blue because we're going to use green to show the end of the maze. I'm gonna put a orange circle here that represents our start position. Okay, now let's continue with the walls to create this wall here, create this here, create a little dead end here. Another dead end here. Actually, I think I might need to make this like more like that, then like this one more like that, more that. So we have the player fit in there, and have this like there, that, there, that, there. I have it like that. I'm gonna do is just that, and then to show the end of a maze, we're gonna use screen square. So now we need to create our layer. To do that, we're just gonna create like that, and then like just gonna create that little shape, and then fill it in with whatever color you like. It's gonna be a colorful game. Actually, I'm gonna make that smaller. I'm actually just making it look bad. I'm not gonna spend time in the art, but you guys can make the art look better. Okay, so one flag clicked. We're gonna do my block, start, and run without screen refresh. Repeat until. Gonna do. And let's just do that. Repeat until touching color. Then that orange. Go to random position. And then forever. I'm gonna do an if, but then before that if, I'm gonna do a point towards mouse pointer. Actually, no, we're gonna put that inside the if. If mouse down, then point towards mouse pointer. Move. Let's do 3 steps. Let's try this. Okay, I got an idea. So Gonna do this player. Click duplicate. Then we're just gonna create a box inside of the player. It's about like that big. And it's gonna delete that and set this to start detect. Yeah, I misspelled that completely. I'm not gonna fix that. Switch costume to start detect. Switch costume to player. Let's go back to here, and we're gonna make this start detect smaller. Let's test that. Just gonna put that there. Alright, that seems to work. And there's another problem. We need to take this, we need to turn it that way. There we go. So now it actually, just full screen to fix that. You can go. Now for collisions, we're gonna do duplicate this. We're gonna remove the out spawner. We're gonna do if touching color, and then that blue, then move -3 steps. So let's try that. Let's go here and say, let's duplicate that, and not touching color orange, not touching color blue, and put that into repeat until. Yeah, gonna have to fix that later. But for now, we're just gonna leave that bug, and gonna leave that bug for episode 2 to fix. And now we can go through this maze freely. We can go through this maze freely. As I said, we can go through this maze freely. Let's go back into this. This doesn't seem to be working. Maybe I could take this and put it in there. That will work. Yes, look at that. Now we don't. I know exactly what to do to fix this. There. Now we don't snag onto the walls or magically go through the walls. Actually, let's test it with that same corner that stuck in there. Magic. Wow. Now we got collision detection working. Maybe I should make that hitbox a bit bigger. Now we get to make it so we can win the game. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take this if touching color. We're going to duplicate it. Green. Then stop. Oh, no. We're going to do broadcast win. Yeah. If touching color that, then broadcast win. I'm going to do win. And it's just going to be lazy with this. I don't know why we need to do like a whole. Let's just put a black screen and then some white text. I'll do marker font. You win. Seems good enough. Okay. So what we're gonna do is flag clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive win, show wait 1 second, stop all. And now also gonna do EN for thumbnail. And I'm not gonna, you can design the thumbnail yourself. I'm just gonna just do this. I'm gonna change this to make it look better later. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to look way better later, but for now, just gonna leave it with this. Oh my god, I have 3 minutes left. Okay. Dang it, I got the wrong thing. Copy, delete, paste. Go here, delete that. Delete that. How many minutes? Oh, almost 2 minutes. Okay. Now for the thumbnail, we gotta need a background. So I'm gonna do that. Back. Actually, I'm gonna take that black screen, copy it, paste. Actually, back on the backdrop. And now, what we're going to do, one flag clicked, go to 0, 0, go to front layer, and set ghost effect to 100. Okay, let's see how that works. Play a game. Wow, so yeah, I really gotta fix that. I don't know why that happens. It only happens in the developer screen for some reason. Okay. Can go through here. You win. And then it goes to the thumbnail. What I'd like to do is for this to hide. So I'll just go hide and I put a show right there. And you can customize the game as much as you like from here. Just can change up these blue walls, change the position of this orange start, you can change the position of that green end. And okay. So that's all for now. See you in episode 2.